What if I told you you could own a post-apocalyptic monster truck, a Hollywood-style tactical beast, a road-going war machine, built on a Jeep Wrangler, for $92,550 below its original price tag? Yeah, buckle up, because this isn't your average SUV story. This is the 2023 Rezvani Tank 4 XE Hybrid, a satin black off-road beast that looks like it could take on zombies, aliens, or maybe even a meteor strike. But plot twist, it's not bulletproof. That's right, no armor, no EMP shield, no smokescreen. This is not the military edition. It's more action movie cosplay than actual battlefield brute. Originally priced at a mind-melting $202,550, this tank just sold for $110,000. Only 1,000 miles on the clock. Somebody just grabbed it for nearly half off. That's like buying a Rolex at Casio prices. Underneath all that apocalyptic armor look, this tank is basically a souped-up Jeep Wrangler Willys 4 XE. Plug-in hybrid, turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, 375 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque, 21 miles of electric-only range, and the power to blast through city traffic or crawl a canyon wall. Your call. It's got a 4-inch lift, 2.5-inch remote reservoir shocks, slotted Terraflex brakes, blacked-out 5-spoke wheels wrapped in Falcon Wild Peak rubber, and more LED lights than a Vegas casino. Slide inside, and it gets even crazier. Black leather everywhere, diamond stitching, purple accents, heated and cooled seats, a 10-inch touchscreen, booming speakers, and even a center console safe. Because when you drive a Rezvani tank, you never know what you'll need to lock up. So, is this hybrid-powered Hollywood Humvee worth 6 figures? Or did someone just drop $110,000 on a glorified Jeep in a Batman costume? Let us know in the comments. Because whatever side you're on, this thing turns heads like a supercar, punches like a truck, and flexes harder than your gym buddy on arm day.